Hello everyone, this is Harry and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn It. Today I'm gonna tell you about the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. I made the video before. I uploaded on the YouTube. I will give the link in the description. You can watch my video before I uploaded about the review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. So in this video I will tell you about this 10 things you should buy then Samsung Galaxy Note 5. The good things in this phone. The number one, the good thing in this mobile phone, this is the build quality and design. It's very pretty cool, looks very nice, and the shape is very nice. And the phone is made up of the metal. This is not plastic, and you can see the buttons also made up of the metal. So this is a very good thing if your phone drop on the floor and there is no chance to break up the body. So this very looks pretty cool. And the second thing is a display. This display is very bright, very sharp, and very nice. I really like this because if you go outside in the day, the brightness is very nice. Auto adjustment. If you come in the dark room, auto setting, the brightness will become down. So this is also very good. And as compare other phones, the brightness of this phone display quality is very nice and sharp. So I really also like this phone. And the audio quality is also very nice. The loudspeaker, I have a music, I play Samsung music. This is the full. This is the full now. I really like this because the sound is very nice. Audio quality is very also nice, pretty cool. I really love this phone because the audio, if you want to watch the movies, that's very nice. About the games are very nice. Also looks very nice. So, and the fourth thing is the setup of the camera. This is our 16 megapixel camera with the sensor and one single flashlight, and the camera record the 4K video. And this is a very good thing if you want to record the video in the dark room or anywhere, and it will provide you the good result, and it looks very nice. And you can see the camera is a very nice and sharp. You can record the video in the dark room or anywhere. If you go in the outside, you can record the video with a good quality 4K. So this is also very good. I really tried this. My before videos I recorded with this phone, so you can watch my videos. It looks very nice, HD quality, 1080 pixels. So it's very nice because I recorded my YouTube video with this phone. I do not use any camera because I do not have a camera. So I recorded my videos with this phone. So this phone is very nice about the camera. If you want buy the phone, I really suggest to you. This phone is a very nice, very pretty cool. If you talk about the front camera is also very nice. This is a 5 megapixel camera. This is also very nice. I will give you some pictures, the front camera and the back camera results, so you can check how the results. So we go on the next step, the S Pen. Number 5 is the S Pen. S Pen is a very nice. I really like because the other phones do not have a S Pen. So this is a very nice things. In this phone, you can control your phone by using the S Pen. Yeah, You can use the S Pen to control your mobile phone. You can scroll down, move your anything you can do with this phone. You can also create the notes if you want. Write something on the screen. You can also wait. I show you. I put it back, and now you can see there is options. You can smart selection. You can crop the video. You can write on the screen like this. I am writing here. You can adjust here some effects. You can select the pens. I select this one and color blue. Okay, and I erase these all, and you can see it looks nice. This is a very good thing in this phone. In the Note series, especially in the Note series, I really like because this is on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. So after this, if you want buy a little bit expensive phone, I will really suggest you to buy Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And if you do not have much money, you can buy also Samsung Galaxy Note 5. This is a very pretty cool phone. I used the 6 month. In the 6 month, I got a good result for this phone. This is very pretty nice. So the number 7, the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor, this is not only home key button, this is also the fingerprint sensor. This is a very fast, like Apple Power Security. This is also very nice. This is not only home button. So you can see this is very fast, too much fast. I really like because just touch your thumb on the home, and you can see this is my phone is unlocked. So this is also very good thing. This is the fingerprint is super fast. You can secure your phones. So the number 8 is the software features. The software features are very also nice. I want to talk about if you want to open your camera, you just double click on the home button and you can turn on your mobile camera. So I open my mobile camera. You can see this. Double click 1 2, and now you can see my mobile camera is open. So I can record the pictures. So the number 8 is multitasking facility. The Samsung Galaxy Note 5 they provided the multitasking facility. I just my Note Pen, and I show you what is the multitasking. You can see there is a lot of apps already open on my phone. I can multitasking in the one time. You can use to you can perform the 2 tasks in the same time. For suppose I open a YouTube. Wait, I'll let you show. Where is the YouTube? Okay, I open the Play Store. This is a one thing, and you can also choose the second one. If you want use the second application, you can also select. This is a multitasking. You can use on the one screen to work. You can perform the 2 tasks on the one screen. For suppose I use another one thing. Multitasking is the very nice. Suppose I open this application. You can see this. I have a here on the top Play Store, and there is my UPhone application. So you can use the multitasking at the same time in the single phone on the single display. So this is also very good thing in this phone. I really love because the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 is a very good about the anything. Now it's giving the notification to put back the Note Pen. So the number 10 is the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. They provide the theme facilities. You can perform. You can choose any themes. is available in your phone. The one more good thing in this phone, the gaming experience is very nice. I play any game and show you. The sound is very nice. You can check the tap to play. You can see it looks very nice. The graphic is very nice.